Hey guys, don't mind me. I'm running on the treadmill, and instead of taking a break, I just wanted to make this quick video on Shiba Inu and why I'm actually still pretty bullish on us possibly breaking that 59.90 price range today, or price zone. So, first of all, shout out to TA, because it rejected perfectly off 59.90. Came back down the trend, sold off the trend on a big sell limit, recovered to that 55 psych level, that yellow line you see in the middle, and that's why we're just trading sideways. But as of right now, I would consider this movement to be bullish. This, technically, all we've done since we created that that bearish trigger down here back at 1 in the morning, all we've done is trade sideways. Because what happened, we were here, right? We dropped massively, not massively, but we dropped, recovered on trend, came back up, and guess what? We're actually trading on the top half of like this candle right here, right? So I would consider that extremely bullish. All you're really doing, or have been since 1 in the morning, technically, has been trading sideways, right? Yeah, the bear trigger sell off, but you're still in that same price zone off of this 55 microcent psyche level. And I think once we actually break, or once we actually create another bull trigger, I think that's going to be where we break 59.90 or that 59 microcent level. I can see us actually today, I can see us running up somewhere close to like possibly 64 microcents, maybe coming back down to retest and run. Or if we do actually break this bullish trend right here, at most, I can maybe see us now trading on this bull channel right here, and going possibly all the way up to like maybe 70 plus 80 microcents, which is pretty insane. So it really depends how strong that hour bull push is, which I think is going to happen today. And we're still bullish on the 4 hour. Technically, we're starting to show weaker bull movement signs, but are we really though? I mean, the 4 hour trigger happened back here, and even though the reverse MACD is showing weak bull candles, you've literally just been trading up from here, right? You did a full 50% move. The daily, still extremely bullish, right? Look at those huge, consistently growing bull candles in the reverse MACD. They get bigger and bigger and bigger. Look at the weekly. Oh, the weekly, I'm sure it's bullish, but I can't show you because it hasn't been trading on Coinbase for that long. But again, I am, as of right now, extremely bullish on Shiba Inu, possibly breaking that 59.90 resistance level sometime today. And I can definitely see us going up to like 65 microcents sometime today or tomorrow, more than likely today. And with all the bull momentum to the upside, I can definitely see this bull channel right here getting broken, and then us keep running to like a 70 to 80 microcent. Again, that's more of wishful thinking with a lot of bullish momentum. But as of right now, I'm just waiting to see, after we create that bull trigger, which I think is going to happen today, how strong is that push going to be to the upside. And if 59.90 does get broken, I think we're going to 65 microcents. And I think if we do break this channel, personally, I think that we are going to be breaking this bull channel, and I think we might see a 70 to 80 microcent sometime this week. Again, I'm more positive that we go to 65, but if we go to 70 to 80 microcents, I also would not be surprised. But it really depends on how the hour right here closes bullish, and then how big that jump is. So as long as we close bullish and we break 59.90, then I think we're going to consistently go up and we close bullish on the hour, and we hit resistance, and we don't break it, you know, we can possibly come back down to like what, like 49.50 microcents, back to retest trend somewhere right here. So I'll see you guys later. I'm extremely bullish on Shiba Inu right now. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.